How to list and sell skins on Csfloat. In this video, I'll show you how to list and sell skins on Csfloat. So to get started, go ahead and open Google Play Store, head over to the search tab, and then search for Csfloat in here. Now on the results, click on Csfloat and then click on install. And once installed, click on the open button. So on Csfloat, you need to sign in to your Steam account to be able to create an account on Csfloat. So click on the sign in button at the top right of your screen to be able to sign in to your Steam account for the Csfloat account. So once signed in, go ahead and enter the OTP sent to you by Steam on your Google Mail. And then once you have entered the OTP required in here, you will be able to continue on setting up your Csfloat account. So once you're done with this, it will redirect you to your Csfloat account. But before that, you need to authorize the connection between Csfloat and Steam. So click on sign in and this will redirect you back to Csfloat. And then in here, you need to set up your account. So make sure to check all of this checkbox and then click on the next button. So in here, you need to enter the email that you've used on your Steam account and then click on verify. And then Csfloat will send an OTP to your Google Mail account. So make sure to enter the token such as OTP into the section, and then once you have entered it, you'll be able to proceed with the next step. So once you're done with this, on the next step, you need to go ahead and copy your trade link. So click on this find it here button at the right side of trade link to be able to access your trade link on Steam. So that will redirect you into your browser. Then here, copy this link. And then once you've copied it, head back to Csfloat and then paste it in here. So once you're done setting it up, you can go ahead and proceed on listing and selling items on Csfloat.